Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa and I do beauty and beauty inspired videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an eye look and I'm using the Athena palette. If you guys did not see my haul on this palette, make sure you guys definitely go check it out because it's actually a really good haul and I got them for like super cheap. I'm just going to use the mirror that comes on the palette because I don't want to hold a big chunky mirror while doing this makeup look. So today, I don't know what look I'm going for. We're just gonna wing it, completely wing it. So hopefully it turns out okay. I think I might go for like a pinkish look. But first I'm gonna start off, let's see. I'm gonna start off with a darker color. I'm gonna start off with Heroic, which is this dark color. It's like a dark chocolate brown, kind of like pink undertones. So I'm just going to start off with this on my outer corner. The one thing I really love about these palettes is that they're really inexpensive and they have a lot of pigment. So I'm just bringing that into my crease. And I'm going to drag it a little higher than my crease because I do have hooded eyes. And if you have hooded eyes, it's good to place the eyeshadow a little bit higher than you normally would, so that you can actually see it. Alright. And then I'm going to go on the other side and do the exact same thing. I hope you guys can see what I am doing. I hope I'm not shaking the camera because I'm using my phone to film. This is showing up a lot more pink on me than I thought it would. I thought it would show up more brown, but I'm not mad at it because I'm going to go for a pink look today anyways. So I don't mind. Put a little bit more color. Alright, that's pretty. And then, let's see if this will work. I don't know if it will, because I don't really ever wear pinks. But I'm going to go in with Velour, which is like this light pink. It's like a light peachy pink. And I'm just going to also put that in the corner of my eye and drag that a little bit lower than the first eyeshadow. This one's like truly in my crease. The one I first applied is more higher than my crease, but this one's gonna be actually in my crease, if that makes any sense. Hope it does. Do the same on the other side. I think it's working. It looks okay. It looks okay. It's not that I don't wear pinks because of a specific reason. I just never go towards pinks. Alright. And then I'm gonna go in with Medusa. And I think I might just use my finger to go with Medusa because it's better to use like metallic shimmery shades with your fingers. But Medusa's right here, this really pretty metallic pink. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Going like halfway, not like all the way to the outer part of my lid. These are really creamy. To add more depth, I might depth. I can't say that word. But to add more contrast to this look, I might go in with a little. This is getting really muddy really fast. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush. I might add in a little. This is what it's looking like so far, you guys. A little purple. I never do purple looks either, so I'm going with this purple right here. It's called Justice. I'm just getting very little bit on my brush, and I'm gonna go on my outer crease or outer lid, whatever you want to call it, and drag that in a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm literally just putting a tiny bit. This is what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell on camera. But it's just to deepen up that color a little bit more. This is what it's looking like. Let me see if I can focus better on my face. This is what it's looking like. Alright, and I'm going to take that purple that I just used, called Justice. I'm going to go on my lower lash line. This is what it looks like. That's a bit more noticeable, I guess. And I'm gonna go in with that first color I used, Heroic, and a little bit of Power, which is like a red color. I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line. And this is what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna go with my mascara if I can find it. Let's see. Yes, here it is. You're probably like wondering, like, why doesn't this girl like ever wear sorry, the thing's messing up. Hold on, the camera. Why doesn't this girl ever wear eyeliner? I used to be the queen at eyeliner, like literally. I would never leave the house without eyeliner. But lately, like since I became a mommy, I just don't have the time, to be honest. Like, I love like a big winged eyeliner. Like, I'm all about that. And having eyeliner could totally change the look. But, I don't know. I guess I'm just too lazy. You guys can probably hear all my makeup falling. You guys can probably hear that, what's it called? The washing machine in the back. I'm gonna go with this lip gloss. It's a random lip gloss. It's from like the Dollar Tree or something. It's just like this pinky red color. So I'm gonna put just a little bit. Just to give my lips some color. That's what it looks like. I'm sorry, the camera keeps going sideways, you guys. Just give me a second, I gotta fix it. Let me try to straighten this out, you guys. I don't know why it keeps falling, ruining my look, well, my video. And this is the look. It's super simple, super fast, super easy. It's just a, I don't know, a springy pink look. I actually really like it. Like I said, I don't wear pinks often because, I don't know, I just never gravitate towards them. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a look that you want me to try to create, please leave it down in the comments. Please leave your favorite color down in the comment. And I think that's about it. And make sure you guys definitely check out the giveaway because it's going until April 30th. So you have plenty of time to enter, and yeah. Alright, bye guys.